How to book your first ride on Bolt. Ready to take your first ride on Bolt? Let's get it booked in seconds. First, open the Bolt app and on the home screen, enter your pickup location and destination in the search bars. Once both are set, you'll see available ride options below. Choose your preferred type and tap Request Ride. Your driver's details will appear and you will get real-time updates as they approach. When the ride starts, you can track it live until you arrive at your destination. Always double-check your pickup points before confirming. It saves time for both you and the driver. Was your first Volt ride smooth? Tell us about it in the comments below. And that's how you can book your first ride on Volt. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.